Step stools come in all different shapes and sizes. In today's video, we're going to make a simple step stool out of construction grade lumber. It's very simple and very strong with a pop of color and some stain. Let's get started. Clean up this edge here. Our first piece is going to be 16 inches long for the top piece. Now we're going to cut two pieces at 10 inches for the sides. We cut the top piece already, and now we cut the two side pieces 10 inches tall, and now we need to cut them 8 inches wide, and then put this little design in here at the bottom. About 10 degrees right here. Round over these corners like this. Anytime you're using construction grade lumber, especially 2x8 or bigger, there's always going to be a crown, and especially this center cut piece. So I like to put the crown on the outside. So now we're just going to put these legs like this. And I figured for an 11-inch piece, I just want to double check and see where we're at. And we'll do a 1/2 inch overhang all the way around. We're going to make this center piece 5 inches tall by 11 3/4. So now I'm going to center this up and put 2 screws right here on the end to hold this frame together. I'm going to come up 1.25 inches and 3.5. I centered it all the way around about 5/8 of an inch, and I just made a few light marks. And I marked how far it was in right here. So I pulled over 1.5 inches from the ends and then 1 in the center. So I'm going to pre-drill 3 screws for the step. Let's pick out a color. I have something in mind. For the stain, I'm going to do this paint. I like this blue way back up here. Oops. So this blue and this stain right here. I'm just going to use some paper towels. It's 5 in the morning, and I'm telling you this because it's the only way I could beat the humidity right now. So I'm gonna spray 3 light coats, very light coats, this satin clear. So right now I'm gonna take some paper bag, which is like 1,000 grit, and I'm gonna take off the shine. I don't like the shine. Just rub it. You don't have to do this, but want it to be a little duller look since we're going for the worn look a little bit. So it just takes off the shine. This is a satin finish already. This will make it more of a flat finish now. Since me cutting off my foot bothers so many people, now I could turn my step stool into a little sawhorse